Hello people, today I will quickly show to you how to convert images to black and white because I found a very interesting function in Darktable application. I think I applied this as well to images. I think I will choose a couple of the images, and there is a very interesting option which I wanted to show you, monochrome. Before that, I didn't know about that option. When you go like that, you can change some settings, how black and white will behave when you drag the mouse button. You can turn this on or off. We also have got some other settings where you can improve your black and white image. We also have, because I use local contrast, you can disable this. I think I will save this. This black and white image can be useful if you want to draw a cartoon or sketch. I have to create file name. You have to select folder. And get rid of this. If you can't see, you can resize the interface if that is issue. But you have to have image selected here. It has to be highlighted when you try to export. Not override. Why this came up? Now we have exported our black and white image. I hope you like my video tutorials, and you can do the same with sketches. Oh no, people, I was going to take my dogs for a walk. I'm glad I didn't do that. I didn't expect the rain to come up 3 o'clock. We have this week unpredictable weather. I could do the same with this sketch to improve its quality. If you want to add a folder, you have to go add it to library. You have to click on that plus. I will choose one of each. Monochrome. I like very much that function. I forgotten to choose local contrast. We have like midget on range, but this is completely different function, but it will improve quality. This looks different when you look closer. It has been converted. I can still overwrite if I click like table, but I have to have folder selected. You have to choose override option to be able to do that. And you again click on folder icon. I'm a little bit sad because I wanted to take my dogs for a walk because now it's started to rain and it probably will thunder. Okay, I hope you like this video tutorial. Have a nice day, guys. Darktable is good and fast program.